Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. Here I am at the EXPORAIL Museum in Saint Constant, and this is a CP Rail SD40-2. Very iconic locomotive in their iconic red and white striped scheme. This would be from the 1990s because it's missing the Pac-Man. Here's what the trucks look like. Looking very much like a Athearn model or something. And there's the trolley going away, speeding off. These locomotives were built in the 70s. These are very iconic from the 1970s. Very popular. EMD, Electromotive Division. Also, they were built in Canada. They were built in London, Ontario. So they have GMDs. This one was probably built at London, considering it's a CP Rail one. The sun's not that great, so I'll have to look this way. Yeah, the CP is a little bit faded there, but otherwise it's in pretty decent shape. I don't think they're ever going to get it running again, which is kind of a shame. There's another locomotive, another Alco C630. It looks like they have two of them. They have one in the shed as well. This one is got the Pac-Man, so that's very 1970s. And the one behind it there, it looks like it's a low nose RS18 possibly. And behind there is a Canadian Vickers double-decker car from Montreal's commuter service in Pointe Claire. They would run those on the Vaudreuil line back before AMT took that over. It's okay.